So, today
Yeah.
is a fun aging call, and today is Sunday, and today is the 23rd February, and you're all welcome. And the topic today is jealousy. It is envy, jealousy, whatever it is, rivalry, sibling rivalry,
Okay.
and jealousy. That is the topic today. Somebody suggested
Mhm.
last time. And actually, I didn't know. I was wondering what would I talk? you know, Not much, but let's see. They say when you're here, where you're not talking, there's somebody else talking. So I will allow somebody else, whoever that is, he, she, it, higher power, God, whatever, to talk through me. I am
Mhm.
okay with that. So welcome, Sherry. Ah,
Yeah.
she says doesn't know anything about access consciousness.
Yeah.
So look up after you been with us. Access consciousness is, I wouldn't say it's a modality, I'd say it is a way of life.
Okay.
And she
Mhm.
says she didn't even know. She was just sitting thinking it's Saturday, and some friend sends a message and says, "Go and see this woman,
Yeah.
see what." And here
Yeah.
she is. And I'm feeling I am so lucky to have somebody here who
Same.
just,
Same here.
and I also started after doing so many.
Mhm.
Journey has been really long, maybe I could say 30 years. And so
Mhm.
in these 30 years, I have actually come to acknowledge that nothing happens, you
Yeah.
create it.
Mhm.
And if you ask for something, universe will rearrange and
Mhm.
get you there.
Okay.
And you don't even know where. If
Yeah.
you give a free hand to the universe, you just ask and you shall receive is the law. It's a profound law. It
Okay.
can never change. Like gravity will you can't change. Like sun will come in the morning, maybe a little this side, that side timing, but it will be there. Night will be there. So these are these profound things that we get to see. So this is also that profound that if you ask, you will receive. Don't know how. You don't
Mhm.
know where it will come from. So
Mhm.
welcome, welcome, welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you for being here and thank you for choosing it because you're the one who asked for it and you're the one who's doing nothing happens. There is no coincidence. So
Yeah.
please, we believe in access to ask questions,
Okay.
not not to conclude, not to decide, not to um, make it right or wrong. Just ask. Go and ask like a child. But I get that in this reality, asking question is not done. When children
Yeah.
ask many questions, they are told, shut up, you ask too many questions. Teacher also
Yeah.
will complain to the mother, hey,
Mhm.
they trouble me so much. This one, your son, troubles me so much. He keeps asking questions.
Hmm.
But in
Actually,
actual,
actually, I was not prepared, so I don't know what to say now. I am
don't
just
have to say.
wondering.
You don't have to say
I am
anything.
just, yeah, I'm just wondering. Today, I was talking to my friend. I said, she said, "What do you want at this age?" I said, "Just peace of mind and happiness inside. That's what I want right now." So, how to get that?
Okay,
That's my question.
okay, awesome. Anybody here wants to tell, are they more peaceful after coming to Access? Have they got even a wee bit, a tip of the iceberg? Have they received anything? Would anybody want to tell Sherry that there is hope for her?
That's sweet. So, some more people are there on this
There
meeting?
are at the moment two more besides you and
Okay.
me, and let's see
Okay.
if there are more come up.
Mm-hmm.
How many more can come up? Hey, come on, guys, get up! It's Sunday morning. Kamal is here. So, Nippy and Angela, if you would like to say anything to her.
Yeah, all I want to say is welcome to the adventure of life with access consciousness. It is, I mean, see, life has changed for me, and each day is a new day. And when we talk about peace and
Just a minute,
happiness,
Angela, just a minute. I'm sorry, I did not. I've been really.
Yeah.
I did not start
Hmm?
the Insta live, so let me just start
got
this.
it.
What, beta?
Forehead.
What?
Forehead.
What to do?
Forehead.
Here we
Amma.
are
Uh-huh. Tell me.
live
Wait.
on Insta Live,
Okay.
and
Sorry, actually, my grandson, he's having temperature. He's saying, just put the towel on my head. I'm just here.
go
Yeah.
for it. Go for it. There.
Yeah.
So we are on Insta Live also, and there is some Robson. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And this is Sunday Call, Fun Aging, and we're just starting. The topic is ri- sibling rivalry and jealousy.
Okay.
So there is Smita, there is Kaushal, Irani.
I'm doing.
Welcome, welcome, guys. So uh, I'm also on Zoom. Shri Devi, how are you? And today that there was somebody new who was asking questions, but we can go along with what uh,
For
we
the
are here
dance.
for. So jealousy. What is jealousy and envy, guys?
Actually, I don't feel jealous. Never.
Awesome. How does
Yeah,
it
I
get any
never
better
felt
than that?
jealous. Never felt jealous.
Awesome.
I don't even remember because, yeah.
How cool is that? Actually, what is jealousy? Jealousy is about not wanting things to change.
Hmm.
And envy is where somebody wants what you got.
Yeah.
So you have never, uh, you always liked change. You'll
Yeah, I
always,
like change.
awesome.
Yeah, I like change.
And you're not like, why don't I have it? They have it. Why don't I have it?
No, no, no.
How does it get any better? Hi, Guneet. So that is wonderful. That's really amazing. Um, how many of you, and it's not wrong, guys, to have jealousy. It's nothing is wrong or right. It is just an energy that you be, and that energy, where, when, what, why is not
Yes.
the question. It is how you are.
Um,
Yes, Sherry, you wanted to say
no, no,
something?
it's fine. No, no, no.
Can we
The
put you? Can you put you on mute, darling?
mute. Yeah, sure, sure.
Thank you, darling. Thank you. So everywhere we are using jealousy and peace of mind, or jealousy and envy, to not be present in every now moment, to not be ourselves, not to choose who you truly be. Would you be willing to let that go? Just let that go, just like that. You are the one who called it. You're the one who can say bye bye. And everything that doesn't allow that, are you willing to destroy? I mean, that's a strong word, right? But what if you'd wanted to destroy the limitations? What if it was not destroying people and things? What it was the story? What it was the electromagnetic charge? What it was something that was holding you to be yourself? Are you willing to let that go? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, POVADs, BCs, creations, and beyond. Now, what is this? Oh, what did I just say? This is the magic wand. These weird words change the energy. I won't take so much of time, most of you know it, but you can look up theclearingstatement.com on net and find out what this means. So, what creation of jealousy and envy are you using to let go of the choices and the awareness you could be choosing? And everything that is, we take a statement, we say whatever this is, or anything that is troubling you, or anything that, like for peace, you were asking, Sherry was asking for peace. Everything that doesn't allow me to be peaceful in this now moment, I let it go. Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shorts, boys, pervads, bases, questions, and beyond. You don't even have to remember this. You can just say POC and POD. You can just say whatever that oldie was rattling. That also will work. So, if you're willing, you are the one who is the creator of your reality. You're the one who can change it. If you so desire, you can just change it. So I was asking people here, what is jealousy for them, and what's envy for them, and what's rivalry? I mean, and how much rivalry do you have with your um, siblings? Because that's the topic. Anybody here wants to say something about it? Okay. So what, as infinite being, you're all infinite being, right? You all know that. You're all infinite being, and you are the ones who perceive things like this. Oh, who are aware and know, immediately know what that perception is. You're aware of that. So you know, you perceive, know, and you can be, if you're choosing to be, you can receive anything. But what do we do? What have we learned to do? We have learned to immediately perceive something and go to emotions, go to feelings, go to thoughts. They take up 24 hours of our day. There is a tape running in your head 24/7. It doesn't rest. Good, bad, and the ugly is running 24/7 in your head. Now, you as an infinite being would choose that for what reason? When you know you have the energies, when you know you have everything at your disposal, when you know the buffet is laid out, when you know you can choose anything, you have a total free will, would you choose something to trouble yourself, to be unkind to yourself, to cut off your awareness? What if you could you perceive a beauty, like you perceive look at a flower and you say, wow, what a beautiful rose. And then what do we do? Oh, I wish I had this. Oh, it should be white. Oh, this plant is little less than what I would like it to be. Oh, what do I do to do it to? What fertilizers do I put? What do I do? Do I do not give too much of what? Do I give too much of water? Do I not give too? How much of those thoughts, feeling, and emotions have you brought in to kill that beauty that you were looking at? Because everything is beautiful. Now I was talking about something nice, and still we find something to kill that. So what do? We are making a choice in favor of losing ourselves, in favor of not choosing for ourselves, in favor of unkindness, in favor of going to jealousy, envy, and all those emotional distress, drama, trauma, rather than perceive, know, be, and receive. Those are your capacities, those are your abilities. You are an infinite being. And everywhere you're not willing to choose that, not willing to have that as your reality, would you be willing to let that go? 1, 2, 3. Just let that go. What do you do when something is not to your liking? You just let it go. Food you don't like, you don't eat. If somebody puts a hot coal on your hand, what do? Do you hold it and think about it? No, you just let it go. Oh, can you let everything that takes you away from you, just like that? How can you retain? How can you be? How can you choose to be who you truly be? Some of us are queens, were drama queens before Access, and didn't even realize it. So, what creation are we all using to invoke the drama queen we are choosing? Rather than, hey, what's this? What can I do about this? Is there any way I can change it? And universe, God, he, she, higher power, knowing every molecule, ask, hey, what can I do now? Can I change it? How can I change it? You're not a weakling, guys. You are infinite being. Everywhere you're choosing, I can't do it, I'm weak, I don't have enough, I'm all those lies that you've been telling yourself. Would you be please willing to let that go? What creation are you using to invoke and perpetrate you as the weakling, as the not enough, good for nothing, human species? Are you choosing? Everything that is, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? I will be using this statement every time because when I say a sentence, there's an energy that comes up, there's a story that will come up, there is something that you will go to, and immediately when I say right, wrong, good, bad, POC, PUD, all 100 shorts, boys, POVADs, basic equations, and beyond, that energy is gone and you're fresh and new again. Anywhere you don't have or you don't buy into the limited point of view, you create miracles. You create miracles. And it can change your entire way of functioning on earth. You would choose to function as you were told, as you saw people doing it in this reality. For what reason? You can alter the chemical composition of this reality. You are the catalyst of change on the planet Earth. Would you like to choose that? But what do? We bastardize the infinite being, the joy, the abundant, the beautiful being that we are, to create what everybody else desires of me, of you, rather than being the potent, infinite power, potency, capacities that we have been come with, that we have been given, that is available to us. So, jealousy. What else can I say about jealousy? I think it's a choice. Envy and jealousy is when you're not being the infinite being, when you're being less than, when you think you're not enough, when you've been going into the wrongness of you, then only you will see somebody who's greater than you. Otherwise, we are at par with each other, only we are different. We are not better, we are not good, you're not wrong, you're just at par with everybody. Everybody is an infinite being. We are all, it's the beauty is that we are all different. Do you all agree with that? Are you not different? Can we celebrate the difference? I've always said. So, what have we been and done that is showing up in our life because we are choosing consciousness? And that if you hadn't done and been, would get rid of all your envy, all your judgments, all your jealousy. Are you willing to let that go? Just like that. Is it possible? No, not possible. What stupidities do we use to create jealousy that you don't want to choose? Are you choosing? Would you be willing to let that go today? Just because you can and just because it's available, and all that crock of shit, all that reality that you have picked up from this world and thought this is real and true, and because everybody else is jealous, because everybody else, somebody has more, and what more? Do you ever look at your track record? Do you ever look at what you have created? Do you ever value what you have created? And I'm not saying stay there. I'm saying what else is possible? How does it get any better than that? You always have everything available. You will not choose it for what reason? No questions, nothing. If you ask a question, I'll know where to go. You are the ones who create a class. You're the one who contributes by just your answers, questions. Have you given up yourself as the source of being? Have you given it to somebody else? Are you defining somebody else the source of your being? Oh, if I don't have that thing, or if I don't have the car and they have it, what have they done that I haven't done? They are from the same mother, siblings we are talking about. They are from everything, and we are all different. Have you noticed? Jealousy and anger comes when you're not being the true you, when you're not being the you that you came with, when you think you're less than, you validate somebody else and invalidate yourself. That's when you're jealous. The moment you recognize who you truly be, would you be jealous? And like Shreya said, peace. What is peace? It's a choice you make in every now moment. Even if everything is going hunky dory and upside down and not to your liking, can you still choose peace? Isn't it just a choice? You're the one. You're the one who creates you as nobody. You are an infinite being. And if you're not happy, hi Charu. If you're not happy, welcome. Nobody's showing their faces. Thank you, Angela. Everybody wants to hide.
Not me.
Lovely, lovely to see you.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Not bad, not bad. Could be better, but not bad at all.
Awesome. That's the way. That's the way to go. So today's topic is jealousy. Its
Yeah,
topic is, I think, sibling rivalry and jealousy.
yeah.
So what do you have any point of view about that, or what do you think are people jealous because?
Uh, I don't think there is jealousy per se. It is just that there is a difference in the way the parents treat their kids, sometimes unwittingly, unintentionally. And that kind of creates a inequality.
You're so right. You're so right. We are all so unconscious. We are so functioning from unconsciousness that we make um, distinction between our children. We love them because of what they have created and because of what they are showing up as, not who they truly be.
Yeah.
And we in this reality have learned to buy that as true and real. If nobody tells us that you are infinite being and nobody can take your happiness away from you, and you can refuse to receive all the judgments that you have, and in fact in Access we say, if you allow all the judgments to come, you can make more money, and that's a different topic for a different time. So everywhere we are refusing being ourselves, and we choose to buy into what our parents, what this reality is telling us as true, and that's when we go into envy and jealousy. If we as children, if parents told us that you could never do anything wrong, you are the infinite being, you have everything available to you, whatever you choose, you're choosing because you know what's going to work for you and
True.
never make anybody wrong. Would anybody be jealous? I would like to have a world like that.
Yeah, but I think in the Indian society, we are brought up with a lot of shoulds.
Yeah,
Yeah,
shoulds.
and
Not
I
Indian
think
society, darling. Now I know I've been all over the world, and I know the modality, the way of life that I'm choosing nowadays, which is access consciousness. If you, how long have you been in access?
uh, I've taken baby steps. I mean, I've been there since 2022. I did it remotely in COVID times. It's
Okay.
only last year around this time, and now I'm going to do my foundation with General RD very soon.
Oh,
So,
awesome. Are you coming to Chandigarh?
yes, I am. Are you going there?
Awesome. I am in Chandigarh, and Kadi is my brother.
Ah, ah. Look at that. Look at
How
that.
cool is that? Yeah,
Which sector? Which
he's my
sector, Gretchen?
Masi's son. Yeah.
Oh, great.
Awesome. Awesome. How does it? I'm also having a foundation starting on the 6th. And how does it get any better than that?
That's a nice coincidence. Yeah.
Lovely to, yeah, it's such a, so please, when you're here, get in touch with me.
Yeah, I'm here till I live in Canada. I'm here say about March, April, having lost my dad recently. We did a commemorative exhibition of his works,
Okay.
and yeah, I'm here for some time. Yeah.
You are in Chandigarh?
I have my in-laws in Chandigarh, but I'm right now with my mom in Noida.
Okay. Okay. When you reach Chandigarh, give me a call.
Okay, we'll surely do. Which sector do you live in?
I live in Sector 1. We can talk on the phone. Okay? Awesome. How does it get any better than that? And what else is possible? So, what happiness are we refusing in in order to create the happiness we are choosing? Unhappiness we are choosing. What happiness are you refusing in order to create the unhappiness you're choosing? You're the one who's choosing it. And everything that is, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, pervades, bases, creations, and beyond.
Yes.
Okay. So, how many of you are choosing to come into a family where there are lots of siblings? Everybody knows that we choose our parents, right?
Yeah.
So if you're how come you're choosing families where everybody envies each other? Are you here to shift that? Are you here to change that? What do you get? Yes or no? Did you choose this
Yes.
to avoid happiness? Did you choose this to change the way they are functioning, or did you choose it to avoid happiness? What comes up? What's lighter? Guys, like jealousy and envy are choices, so is happiness. Happiness is just a choice. And so many of us choose families, so we never have to be happy. Or vice versa, we choose those families and we think that we can change the world. Have you been able to change the way in your family people look at things? Or have you just added and became just like them? And everything that is, and everything that choice that is not working for you, would you be willing to just give it up? Just because you can and just because it's fun. And everything that brought up, would you willing to destroy and get it all right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, poads, bases, creations, and beyonds? Any question on rivalry and jealousy and envy, please? Like I said, jealousy is not wanting things to change. What do you get? Is that true? Hey, what happened to Insta Live? Got caught. Hi guys, if anybody here has any questions, Sandy Pan, how are you there?
Kawal ji,
Yes, please.
ji, can I say?
Yes, go for it, darling.
Yes, jealousy मेरे बारे में किसी को है ये अगेन इमेजिनेशन है ना?
What do you think? What do you get?
Yes, कि जब मैं एंग्री रहती हूँ किसी के बारे में तो मुझे लगता है he is or she is jealous of me. So again, this is imagination.
No, what is it? You ask. You tell yourself. You ask a question. What question can you ask here to get the clarity of what it is?
What is this? What can I do about it? I like these
What if you
basic
didn't have to do?
questions.
It's not every time you have to do something about it. Just is it jealousy? What is it? And if it is jealousy, I destroy and unkill. And what jealousy from where? What? Get in to know you. We put everything under the carpet. Either we blame ourselves or put it away. What if that has come up for you to choose something different? What the universe is showing you a mirror. Or you say, everywhere I choose this. Is it in my world because I choose it? Is there something what's the gift in this? Everything that comes into your life, there is a gift in that. Everywhere we are used to looking at the wrongness of things. Would you be willing to let that go, please? What if there was nothing wrong and nothing right? It just was because you asked for it. And you don't have to make yourself wrong for that. You can just let it go and become aware of it. Wouldn't you like to be aware of where you're functioning from?
Yes, thank you. Thank
Wouldn't
you.
you want to change the way you look at the world? Wouldn't you want to change the way to have more peace in your reality? Where do you see
Absolutely.
happiness and peace on this planet? Don't you see? Because that's not done. Are we the ones who are choosing something different to change this reality? Ask, hey, I'm getting this. Am I the one? Okay, universe, show me what else is possible. What can I choose? What can I be? rather than we have just two options to make it right or make it wrong. What both are not required. And how everywhere you said, I'm being when I am cooking, or when I'm being when I am writing, I'm being when I'm singing, I'm being when. What if you can be in every, even when somebody is abusing you, even when somebody is throwing judgment at you? If you don't buy it, whose is it? आपको कोई गिफ्ट देता है, आप नहीं लेते, वो तो किसका है? वो उसी का है ना जिसने दिया भेजा था. Return it to sender with consciousness attached. It's not yours unless you buy it as yours. So all the shit, all the lies that you have bought from this reality, from people, and made it wrong, rather than what's right about this, I'm not getting. There is a question here. I feel at times our parents compare and then make us feel jealous because we start constant comparison, as in why I do not have this. Yes, exactly. That's what Charu was also saying. Yes, but you have a choice. Nobody tells us we have a choice. ये माँ बाप गलत कर रहे हैं और मैंने तो jealous होना ही है. You justify it. Until we come to classes like this, till we get to access consciousness where it says you have choice. You're not a puppet in other people's hands. You are an infinite being. You can choose anything. Don't make anything that comes. फ्लड आते हैं तो क्या हम वहीं बैठे रहते हैं? अंधेरी आती है तो क्या हम वहीं बैठे रहते हैं? कोई एनिमल हमारी तरफ आ रहा है तो क्या हम वहीं बैठे रहते हैं और एनिमल को ब्लेम करते हैं, और क्या क्या हम कुछ और चूज करते हैं? You always have choice. What do we do? किसी ने कहा तुम बेवकूफ हो. पहले उसने कहा क्यों? पहले ये देखने की जरूरत है मैं अपने आप को कहाँ बेवकूफ समझती हूँ कि ये प्रोजेक्शन that they could see in me, that they project, that they left it for me. Wherever I am feeling low, where I am feeling not good enough, where I am giving, that is the energy that everybody perceives, and they say, they put their point on you and tell you, hey, you're wrong, you're wrong, you're wrong. The moment you're like, hey, the moment you know who you are, you know you're infinite being, you know you can never be wrong, you know you're always know exactly what is required of you, and you choose it because it's fun for you, and you are here on this beautiful planet to enjoy and have fun and kick it up. Would you choose to listen to that shit that somebody's throwing at you? No.
Not at all.
You return it back to sender with consciousness attached. Our parents do not know that they can empower us because they do not know they are infinite being themselves. They are functioning from less. They are functioning from adjusting. They are functioning from fixing things rather than recognizing who they are. Thanks to things like access consciousness that awaken you and show you, hey, you are not you don't have to be the effect of this reality. You can be you, the infinite being that you are. You have infinite possibilities, infinite choices, infinite abundance. Just ask and receive. Nobody tells us that because they don't know it themselves. They don't know it themselves. So stop blaming them. They did the best they could. Am I making any sense? No sense? Okay, I'm sorry.
Yeah, you are.
Yes,
You're
yes, yes.
reflecting. You're reflecting.
Yeah. We are always so afraid that people will leave us, that because we are not good enough, because we don't know who we are. So today, I allow you, I give you the permission and remind you that you are an infinite being. You are unique, you're amazing, you're phenomenal. You cannot match up with anybody. You have to match up with you and then keep going, uncreating that and keep going over and over and greater and greater. And that is the choice is available to you as an infinite being. Please do not compare yourself with anybody. Please, 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 please. You cannot, because you're all different. You would do that and bring yourself down for what reason? Undo the stupidity that this reality has gifted you. Your natural awareness is showing up. And when you are being who you truly be, you won't buy that shit anymore. You will not be able to sit in a room with somebody telling you a bunch of lies. You will just say, no more, I'm not taking this. Because see, everything that makes you feel heavy, that doesn't lighten you up, is a lie. आपने कुछ सुना और आपकी बॉडी कंट्रैक्ट करी और वो हैवी हुआ और आपको दिल नहीं कर रहा वहां बैठने को, जो कुछ आप सुन रहे हो वो झूठ है, वो lie है. You will buy that lie for what reason? पर अगर आप बैठे हो और आपको कुछ कुछ कोई बात कर रहा है, अपनी कर रहा है, किसी की कर रहा है, और वो lighten you up and you want to sit there and you want to listen to them, that is what is true for you. When you're doing jealousy or somebody else is doing jealousy and envy, is that energy of lightness? No. लोग जहां एक दूसरे की खींच रहे होते हैं, जहां जेलसी कर रहे होते हैं, do you enjoy sitting there? No, you don't. When you no longer buy lies, watch out, world. She's coming. He's coming. So all the limitations that we have created in our life up until this day, bought the lies of people, bought that there is something called envy and jealousy. And you have perpetrated that on others too. Would you be willing to let that go, please? Right away, right now, for all eternity?
Yes.
And what stupidity are you using to create the pretense of being without actually choosing that you are choosing? And everything that is times a godzillion, will you please be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Why? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, provides basic equations and beyonds. Why would I buy that shit as real? That's where Gary always says I function from. I listen to a thing and that lightens me up and I ask a question and go for it. Life is so easy and fun, but we make it tough. For what reason? Thank you, Neera. Thank you so much. Miss you here at the Zoom. Everywhere you buy the shit that everybody tells you and make it true, return it to sender with consciousness attached. That's not conscious. Buying things, making yourself wrong, and being angry, and then moving around in the house with that energy, and everybody is scared of you. And is that consciousness? Is that fun? My target is to get everybody I touch, everybody I be with, to a space where they can allow themselves to be. Allow yourself to be, guys. Anything that is contractive, let it go. Don't go into the story of it. ऐसे क्यों किया उसने ऐसे कर दिया मैंने ऐसे कर दिया this will be so much of ease. Run your get your bars done. That's the first thing you should do. Every time you're irritated, you're angry, you're feeling jealous, you feel envy, everybody you're getting the sorry energy that somebody is being doing that to you. Get your bars done. You can perceive people where they are functioning from. You would buy that shit, listen to them, but see the energy behind it. How often you're such psychic and aware people that you know कि जो उनके मुंह से निकल रहा है वो सच नहीं है. You can know what is coming out of their head. Trust that. Trust your knowing. You will get freer, more aware, more conscious if you start trusting your knowing. This is a techie society. You would not choose kindness, you will not choose ease, you will not choose happiness. For what reason? Just to fit into this reality? Just to be same as everybody else? For what reason? As you undo that stupidity that you choose, you're not stupid, you choose stupidity. Your natural awareness, your natural being will emerge. And as you keep doing this access and using these tools, your life will change. And most of us have experienced that, haven't we? We have these so many distractor implants that distract us from being the true being we are. What are they? Anger, rage, fury, hate, blame, shame, regret, guilt, addictive, compulsive, obsessive, perverted points of view, love, sex, jealousy, peace, life, death, living, reality, fear, relationships, and business. All these things take you away from you. Rectification is the qualification for matriculation examination. We learned that. So I rattled this. Heard Dane rattle them. I said, he can, I can. we create enslavement for ourselves when we follow this reality, when we don't follow the knowing that we have here. Everywhere we are choosing that, are you willing to let that go? Everywhere we holding that everything that is contracting us in place. Everywhere we're making all the choices from judgment. All the choices we make from I am less than, not enough. And all the choices you make to be unhappy. And all the choices you make to separate yourself, to uphold this reality that was designed to enslave you. Is now the time to let them all go, please? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, POVADs, basis, questions, and beyond. Hi, Param.
Hello.
How are you feeling, girl?
Better. Better.
Awesome.
Yeah.
You know, we do this little bit of access and then we go back to our old self. We take 4 steps forward and we take 3 backwards. Because that's reality, that comfort zone that pulls you back into this is reality. This is the way you should be living. And you bring yourself back to this reality. And you again choose anti-consciousness as a choice. Everywhere you're not willing to give that up. Everywhere you think, oh my God, लोग मेरी जिंदगी से चले जाएंगे, मेरे को connect नहीं कर पाऊंगी, मैं क्या? No, people who value you, who know that you are who you truly be, will always be with you. And the ones are not with you anymore. They're not even now with you. Will go. So you don't have to do any jealousy or envy for anybody. And every time haven't you guys realized that life is getting easier and easier? That you're actually changing something? And it wasn't even too much of work? How often you have tried doing a lot of work and nothing changed? And here you just lie down and somebody is running your bars and you think you change things. Isn't that amazing? Everywhere you made to believe that there's nothing else beyond this reality, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? And your every fiber of your being, the energy, the space and consciousness that's available beyond this reality, guys. How stupid do we have to make ourselves not to recognize that? If you value bars, if you value what you have learned from Access, anybody you touch will get that awareness. But when you are not aware, when you are still doubting where you're functioning from, when people come to me for a session, one of the reasons I'm able to create the result I'm able to create is because I know that this shit works. And I know there's reality beyond this reality. And I know the change and I've appreciated and acknowledged it. And more change has shown up. The moment you go 4 steps forward and you go into doubt, you can't create magic. You're just playing that yo-yo game. You're running somebody's bars and your head is going, oh, I hope इसको कोई ठीक हो जाए, ये क्या कहेगी, मेरे को पैसे दिए इसने, कुछ तो change होना चाहिए. No change will happen, guys. But you give it just because she's asking you for it, with from any point, no points of views. You just holding and you're grateful and you are being present, magic will show up. And everything that brought up into your world, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots. Boys, POVAD, basic questions and beyond. Be the leader, guys, not the follower. And you don't even want followers. Anybody who comes for a ride is welcome. Anybody who doesn't, bye-bye. So everywhere you're not being the leader and creating yourself as a follower, whatever they say I will do, will you like to change that, please? Gary always says, this is what it is. Don't follow me because I told you so. Follow if it's light for you. Go do it if you have fun with it. If you don't, bye-bye. This is not meant for you. No right, no wrong. No hurt feelings. You're welcome when you come. You're welcome when you go. There's so many things happening in the world. What is for you? You will get pulled to it. This goes way, way, way beyond this reality, this thinking, this knowing, not thinking. Who are you and what grand, glorious adventure can you have today? What is available that you're not willing to look at? And you spend your whole life exploring the sadness, the unhappiness, the anger, the confusion, the judgment, the wrongness, the hatred, the less than, the separation. And there's beauty around. Electricity gone. They are all not true, guys. They will not take you to oneness and consciousness. And all those are not true, and they're just concepts that this reality created. What do you know? This is a beautiful question you can ask every time you're confused. What do I know, body? What do we know? We're having so much of fun on that, talking about bodies. This program that we did on what we are doing. That's, I think, third day. It's for 10 days. It's finishing on the 2nd. And it's so much of fun. It's so much of fun working with new people also. Who are just exploring, just starting to explore. It's so much of fun. Things for them change like you can't even imagine. And that's why we do Access. Because you see people changing overnight. You perceive the energy so dynamically. You think it must be real. No, it's energetic, guys. Real is what lightens you up. True for you is what, and it might not be true for somebody else. What's true for you may not be true for somebody else. So do not allow those vibrations that do not bring joy into your life to run your life, guys. They create limitation. Perceive, know, be, and receive. Never go into thought, feeling, and emotions. Guys, it's 9:04. Mamta is not here to tell me the time. Yeah. Bye-bye, guys. Thank you so much for being here. There was no question. I did bug, but I love it. I love you asking questions too. But this also I love. Thank you, thank you, thank you so very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Manisha. Thank you, guys, on internet, on Insta Live, bye bye. Love you guys. And here. Awesome.